Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In this video, I show you how to look like a drained rat. No, but actually today we are doing the continuation of my Declutter series. Now I haven't posted one of these videos in a little bit since my last one, so make sure you go check out all the previous ones. You'll get to see me declutter all of my foundations, primers, powders, eyeshadow palettes, blushes, bronzers, highlights, all that good stuff. And today we are going to do some more eye products. By these eye products, I mean mascara, eyeliner, drugstore mascara, drugstore eyeliner, pigments, glitters, things of that nature. I have a lot of them, and a lot of them are really, really old, so I want to clear it all out and make room for some new stuff that I'm going to end up getting in the future. So I feel like I've talked a lot about this intro, but before I ramble any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let's get right into getting rid of some of this nasty old mascara. This is my mascara pigment base drawer, and it's got a lot of stuff in it, and I was like, when I thought of this drawer, I thought high-end in the front, drugstore in the middle, and pigments and colored liners in the back. As you can see, it's just everywhere now. It's everywhere. So we are going to go ahead and take care of this today. A lot of stuff is going to be going in the trash because it's just so old and I cannot be keeping it. It's probably causing bacteria on my eyelashes, on my lashes. So in here I also keep some tools. So this is my Tarte eyelash curler. It hasn't broke yet. I'm not going to buy a new one until this breaks. I've got lash glue. Once this is dead, it'll go in the trash. Look at this bottle. It's actually like nasty. It's so gross. There's so much glue on the outside of it, and I don't know how to get it off, so it's just gonna be here until I get a new one. Next, I have a Benefit Roller Lash. This one is still good. It's almost dead though, so I'm gonna keep it until then and replace it. That's the same for my Better Than Sex waterproof mascara here. So keeping those. I have honestly never used this mascara. Oh, but it looks gross. I don't see myself using this. I'm gonna see if a friend might want it. Actually, you know what? I've had it opened since I worked at the Estee Lauder counter, which is a couple of years ago, and mascara expires after like 3 to 4 months, so I'm gonna throw that away. Next, I have Tarte Lights Camera Flashes. You can tell by the packaging this boy is old, but I'm gonna keep it anyways. It seems to have a little bit of product on it. Actually, you know what? It's almost fully dried out. Like, look, I just wiped it on my finger and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna throw this one away. I thought I was gonna keep it. I'm not. Next, I have my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, although you wouldn't know what it is if you didn't have this tube at home. All of the writing is rubbed off, but it's still good. I have a regular Better Than Sex mascara. This one is still good. It passed my little press test. I have a L'Oreal Voluminous Black mascara, which still works. I'm just gonna have black on my hands everywhere until I'm done with this. Alright, so I know for a fact that one of these NYX black liners is empty. This isn't that. This is my white liner from Morphe. I'm definitely keeping that. I'm going to get rid of all of these little guys. I've had these little tiny mascaras, a bunch of them, for so long. And I'm just going to get rid of all of those travel sizes because it's not necessary to have them. They're just cluttering up my area. And I don't like it. I don't want to deal with it anymore. So I'm getting rid of, oh god. There's so many minis. I don't know why I have this many minis. And now I've got this like capless black liner. I'm going to keep it anyways because I know it works. And this one is good. This NYX liner is good, so I'm going to keep that. This is my favorite eyeliner, so definitely keeping most of those. I have a Hikari eyeliner. It looks like new. Gonna keep that. Glitter liner from NYX. Keeping that. Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Most likely keeping. Definitely keeping. Definitely keeping that. I have the Pure Color Envy Multi Effects Lash from Estee Lauder, which I remember being obsessed with this one, so I'm going to keep that and see if I can use it a little bit more in my everyday life. I've got my brow product. Speaking of brows, I just did get the new Fenty brow pencil. If you guys want to see me put that to the test, let me know in the comment section down below. But this is my ABH Dip Brow Gel. It's the love of my life. I have 2 of the Tarteist mascaras. That one's a little dry. I remember getting these in gratis. That one. Okay, I'm going to keep them both because they both seem to be decent. Alright, I have a Tarte eyeliner that is literally empty. Like, you can't get anything else out of this. Why do I keep shit like that? That's going away. Why do I keep stuff like that? We don't swear on this channel. This is a Wonder Pencil from NYX. It is like a nude eyeliner and it's amazing. You can also use it for lips. I found another little travel size, getting rid of that. Oh, this is a mascara melt off. I feel like I should invest in a full size because I loved this. I also have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, keeping that for sure. And I have a Stila glitter here, and this is the shade Perlina, which is a really, really iridescent bluish color. I love it so much. Alright, so that is one side emptied. I'm just going to go through this, go through everything in the drawer, empty it out, and then organize it if that works for you guys. Well, it better because this video has already happened. Like, this is in the past now. Next, from Maybelline, I have a Great Lash Mascara. This is the blue one though, and it's actually wonderful. I used it in my abstract art video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that down below for you to go see. I used this on my brows in that video and it looked insane. So I'm keeping that. I'm just gonna move that over here. I have the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara, keeping that for sure. It's rather new. I have the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. I think this is like a dupe for Roller Lash. I don't know if anyone else thinks that, but it's a great mascara. I'm going to go ahead and keep it. I have the Pumped Up Lash from Maybelline. This is so old. Like, I just ran my finger along it and nothing came off, except for when I just stabbed myself. But I'm getting rid of this anyways. I should probably get a makeup wipe, but I'm just going to let my hands get dirty, okay? Oh, I have another lash glue. I found another lash glue. Keeping that. I have the NYX Glitter Primer, which is one of my favorite eye primers of all time. It makes things stick insanely well. I have a glitter from MAC. This is the pink hologram glitter from them. I have several of these eye pigments. I've got these are Stargazer Cosmetics. These are orange, green, blue neon, pink neon, and red neon. I have yellow, but I can never find the yellow, so it's probably somewhere in my room. I just need to go look for it. Alright, next up I have some of these jumbo pencils, and I know if I sharpen them, they'll be good, so I'm going to keep these. I've got 2 more sparkly blue colors like this. I've got white. I've got more blue because I thought I was out of the first blue. I wasn't. This is a brow product that I got from BoxyCharm. However, I'm going to get rid of this. I just don't think it's good. This is a brow pencil from Maybelline that is done. I have an eyeliner from NYX that is dry as can be, but maybe if we get a little bit of Fix Plus on it, it'll work. So I'm going to keep that. Oh, this is an old L'Oreal mascara. We're getting rid of that. I have another one of those NYX glitters. This is a rose gold one. There is a, yeah, that's dead. I found a dead NYX matte black liner. I have Lash Paradise. There's my tweezers. I've been looking for these tweezers for months. Lash Paradise, this seems really old. It seems really old, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. I've got a blue NYX liner. I'm pretty sure this is all dried out. It is all dried out, so I will get rid of that and get a new one eventually. And then I have a mascara from Essence. This one is still good, so we're gonna go ahead and keep that. And then finally, for the middle section, I have this very unopened lid lockup. It's an eyeshadow primer from CoverGirl, so I'm definitely either going to throw this in a giveaway or figure out a time to use this. Probably going to throw it in a giveaway, though. I'm going to put it with my little Jeffree Star giveaway products. Alright, so that is it for that drugstore mascara section that had a bunch of other stuff in it. So let's move on to the last section. Alright, you guys, this eyeliner has a good amount of stuff in it. I don't know if the lid is anywhere, but I'm going to keep it. This is a brown liner. You can sharpen. We can definitely keep using that. I've got the 24-hour Photo Finish Eye Primer from Smashbox, keeping that. Eyeshadow crayon from DLS Makeup, and it's in the shade Illusion. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that one. I've got a Tiny Shadow Insurance from Too Faced, keeping that. Heavy Metal Liner from Urban Decay, gonna go ahead and keep that. I've got another glitter primer from NYX Cosmetics, gonna keep that. This one's like a bronzy gold. I've got a red NYX liner. Can you tell I love my NYX liners? However, this one is red, dead, and dried out. So we are going to get rid of that. Next, I have a little eye pigment from the Estee Edit. Now, this is a brand that you can't even get anymore. And if I'm completely honest with myself, I haven't used this in probably years. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. No, get away from me. Alright, I've got another NYX glitter primer. I've got a Palladio, which isn't even a brand anymore. A purple liner. I'm going to go ahead and keep that. This is a, what is this? Beauty for Real eyeliner that is completely dead. So she's going away. I got another red liner from NYX. And she's still alive, so we're going to keep her. I have a Color Tattoo Eye Chrome from Maybelline. And that is a very bright green shade that I like to use for St. Patrick's Day. This is a Urban Decay Waterline pencil. I'm going to sharpen this up and keep it. I have a NYX white eye base. I haven't used this in a long time and it's kind of gross, so I'm going to get rid of that. I have a black pencil here. I'm going to sharpen this up and keep it. I have the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Sin, keeping that. It's still good to go. I've got two unopened gold glitters from NYX. I love my gold glitter from them. This is GL number 5. Definitely keeping that. I have my yellow. I found my yellow. This is my yellow. We're keeping that. I have this little tiny glitter from Too Faced, but it's the prettiest glitter that I've ever seen in my life. This is the one that came in that Nikki Tutorials collab, and I've never found another one that is the same thing, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this. I've got a blue single eyeshadow from NYX. I have a broken black single eyeshadow from NYX. I'm going to throw this away. I don't even think I can get this open. I've got a white eyeliner from Palladio, keeping that. I've got another black jumbo stick. This is the worst lash glue to ever exist. This is the Benefit Lash Glue. I'm going to get rid of that. I have this Model's Own Glitter Setting Gel. I'm never going to use that, so I'm going to get rid of it. I believe this is my friend. I'm going to deliver it to my friends. I'm going to deliver it to her when I see her in October. So we're going to hang on to that but put it in a different spot so I don't think it's mine. I have a L'Oreal gel eyeliner pot, just a black one. I'm going to keep that. I have another broken NYX eyeshadow, gonna get rid of that. I have a full-size shadow insurance, keeping it. Full yellow NYX eyeshadow. I have got chocolate gel eyeliner, which is like a brown gel eyeliner from DLS Cosmetics. Keeping that. I've got some random caps, so we'll see what those go to. Alright, so I have gone through and decluttered everything that I can declutter from here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and organize it so that it's exactly how I like it. So I have it organized how I like it. We are all decluttered, so let's show you the things. So in this first section here, it might be easier to see this way, is all of my high-end mascaras. I did just get the Milk Kush mascara too, so that'll be going in here soon. And then in this middle drawer here, I have drugstore eyeliners and mascaras. And in this back section that's really full, I have pigments, colored eyeliners, shadow bases, and glitters. I just wanted to make sure they all had a home here. And then I'm just going to plop back in my Tarte eyelash curler and we'll be good to go. This I feel really good about. We got rid of a ton of stuff. And it makes me feel good about trying more things from both the drugstore and high-end mascara-wise, as I know I've been kind of staying in the same realm of mascaras for a very long time, so it's time to branch out. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun filming this declutter, and don't worry, there's one more declutter left. I'm going to be decluttering all of my skincare products, so make sure you stick around to see that one. It's most likely going to be posted next Sunday. I believe that Sunday's the 1st of September, which is crazy. So make sure you keep an eye out for that, and make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. I've been posting some fun stuff lately, and I want you guys to see. So yeah, I'm not going to ramble any further. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell before you leave. I really appreciate it if you do, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.